Welcome back to Math Video Tutorials, and thank you for tuning in. In this tutorial, we're going to look at this implicit function. We want to express dy with respect to dx in terms of x and y. So we're going to do it using the dash notation this time. So we're going to take each time, we need to take each term and differentiate it separately. So we're going to do y, first y cubed differentiated minus 5x squared y differentiated plus 3x differentiated, and 0 differentiated will give us 0. Now for the y to the power of 3, if you differentiate it, you need to be aware that because y is a function of x, therefore you need to use the chain rule, and you differentiate it first with respect of y. That will give us 2y squared, and then you differentiate it with respect of x. That will give us dy with respect of dx. Okay, so that's the working out for this one here. So let's write it down. So 2y squared dy by dx. Let's do the next one here. 5x squared y dash. So this is we use for this one here, we use the product rule. So we need to first differentiate 5x squared times it by y, and then next we need to differentiate the y. Okay, so I should have put a dash there, and the dash, this one here, let me just change that outside. So let's do the working out, or differentiate this one. The derivative of 5x squared is 10x times it by y, so 10xy. For this one, 5x squared, the derivative of y is going to be dy by dx. The reason is because when you differentiate it with respect of y with itself, you get 1, and then you apply the chain rule, you multiply by dy by dx. So we get 5x squared dy by dx. So all that is the derivative of this. All right, so again, because there is a minus there, so we need to bear that in mind when we place it in the equation. So we need to turn this plus to minus. All right, so we get minus 10xy minus 5x squared dy by dx. And for the next one, it's going to be the derivative of 3x, we know is 3, equals 0. All right, so therefore we need to make dy by dx the subject. So we need first to factorize it. Okay, so let's factorize dy by dx. That's 2y squared minus 5x squared. And the other two terms, the 10xy and the 3 will move to the other side. So this one minus, it will move to the other side, it will become positive 10xy. This is plus 3, you move it to the other side, it will turn to negative 3. And then you divide by the bracket to get the answer we are looking for. So dy by dx is going to be this 10xy minus 3, all divided by, without the bracket of course, 2y squared minus 5x squared. X squared. And that's how you complete it in a very fast way using just the dash notation. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching, and take care.